Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I know you clicked this video because you saw fashion mechanical engineering. Yes, now something be that, now real thing. Yes, it's something that you really want to invest your time in. And please, if you are here, help me subscribe to this channel to at least help me grow, so me too can help you grow. On this channel, I give fashion tips, I give fashion advice, and also I teach people about the troubleshooting of sewing machine, general sewing machine that you can commonly find inside any fashion house. And one of the problem is a lot of tailors. I know you are a fashion house owner or you are a tailor. Listen to this. A lot of tailors have no idea when their sewing machine is falling apart. If the sound change, you don't really care, but that's a sign. It's like the machine is trying to forcefully diagnose himself that something is wrong with me, you need to look out for it. And a lot of us don't really care. But the problem now, I know what you're thinking, you're like, okay, if I do work for somebody fashion house, if the machine get issue, make it go fix them now. That one way you talk for make me happy, because at least they'll call somebody like me to come check it out. I'll have to take money for consultancy and then money for diagnosing. I love that. But except that it's going to frustrate you if your machine is falling apart in someone else's fashion house and you don't care. And you know, most fashion houses these days are owned by women, beautiful. And those women don't really care too much about the machine except you come to them and say something is wrong. And it's good for you to be doing that, because if you take care of somebody's stuff, when you finally get your own, you'll be able to take care of it. It's no longer negotiable, because that time it's now a habit that you develop for yourself using someone else's experience. Please, madam, if you're watching this video, share it to your tailors. Let your tailors understand these things, because I'm going to be posting videos that will help your tailors. Okay, on this platform, 60% mechanical knowledge, 20% fashion tips, and 20% fashion advice. Okay, I post 3 times in a week, and that would be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Till next Monday, I'm not posting anything. So on a weekend, from Saturday, Sunday, I'll be doing a review of my videos, having communication with people. People will ask questions, and I want to know what's on their mind, and I want to know what they want to learn, and I'm here to teach, right? So you see, we have evolved. Fashion industry is shifting. It has shifted. Okay, we just don't see it yet. You see, we have manual sewing machine. Okay, consider this an introduction. You have manual sewing machine. Then from manual sewing machine, you have domestic sewing machine. Let's keep that aside, because you know it's just for home use. Then you have industrial sewing machine. That's an evolution from manual to industrial. But right now you have digital industrial machine. And as someone who is talking to you right now, I have knowledge about the mechanical, electronical, and digital aspect of this industrial sewing machine, and that's what I'm going to be teaching on my channel. So you might want to subscribe, because like I say, it's going to help you about fashion tips and advice, you know, how we are supposed to live our life as tailors. Because yeah, a lot of us tailors, let's tell ourselves the truth, we not really organized like that. Yes, our life, our time, we have no system, we have no structure, and this is one of the reasons why most of us move around a lot. Now, I'm not saying a lot of tailors don't move around because they love to actually go out and help different people, but a lot of us move around just because, you know, we need that ends meet, we need that money. So on this platform, these are the things that I teach, because look, person wey dey on the journey na go fit teach you things wey you also need to know. And actually, I'm on the journey, I'm also struggling like you, and that's one of the reasons why they said birds of same feather flocks together. So you and I are together right now, and together we're going to be improving. Just like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. Madam, please share the video to your tailors. Your tailors need to know how to take care of your machine, especially the industrial digital sewing machine. Those machines are very, very fragile, okay? And if those machines spoil for your hand, if the digital fault develop, you have no idea how to fix it. And there are not a lot of people like us right now in Nigeria that are going to be doing that. That's why I'm here, okay? Those things have error codes, and the error codes mean something. So you want your tailors to understand what it means, so whenever they see those error codes, they can quickly alert you. Thank you very much, I really appreciate it. Like I say, please subscribe.